The accumulation of uric acid in the joints leads to arthritis, which causes extreme pain and discomfort. The following natural recipe will help you eliminate the uric acid from the joints, as well as the dangerous toxins, and thus soothe the pain and inflammation. Its preparation is very simple and you will need the following ingredients. 1 medium-sized cucumber, 2 celery ribs, 1 slice of lemon, 1-inch ginger root. Directions. Initially, wash all the ingredients and cut the celery and cucumber in slices. Then, place the ingredients in a blender and blend them for several minutes on high speed. Use. Drink this natural drink twice a day and you will soon notice improvements. You may also feel a mild pain as soon as you start the treatment, but it is just a sign of the effectiveness of the drink, so continue its consumption. This natural drink offers numerous health benefits, and also reduces the body temperature, due to its alkalizing qualities. The celery and the ginger have potent anti-inflammatory properties, so they relieve the joint inflammation. On the other hand, the cucumber juice eliminates the uric acid crystals from the joints.